Take all the quarters from my drawer, hang my pride up on your door, yeah. I've grown tired of being ignored. I'm not painting any fence for someone else. I'm not climbing to get stuck up on you. Where do I start? Can't barely speak, 'cause you kept my voice living on its knees. But I'm in reverse now. Don't follow me, 'cause I let you most when you love me no more. But I refuse to beg. Break, I'm breaking these chains right off my legs, yeah. Keep all the words you ever said. I'm not painting any fence for someone else. I'm not climbing to be stuck up on this. Where do I start? Can't barely speak, 'cause you kept my voice living on its knees. But I'm in reverse now. Don't follow me, 'cause I let you most when you love me no more. Where do I start? Can't barely